Let's talk about the latest launched TECNO smartphone POVA 5 Pro 5G, with 3D textured design and multicolored backlight arc interface. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.78-inch Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels, approximately 84.7%. Screen-to-body ratio, 580 nits peak brightness, approximately 396 ppi pixel density, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with 0.08 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel front camera. Video recording maximum 2K at 30 fps on rear camera, 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of iOS 13 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone's CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz dual core Cortex A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6085G chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB extended RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168.5 by 76.5 by 9 mm, and it weighs around 220 grams, and the color options: dark illusion, silver fantasy, colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 68-watt ultra-fast charging, 10-watt reverse charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and stereo speakers with DTS sound, USB Type-C charging port, NFC, multiple LED lights on the back for notifications, low battery, game actions, and 3.0 Lite Hyper and Panther game engine for gaming, with vapor chamber cooling. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The TECNO POVA 5 Pro 5G has been priced in Pakistan for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 58,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this TECNO POVA 5 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.